This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make Oreo mousse without whipped cream. This easy guide will help you create a wonderfully rich and satisfying dessert using just a handful of simple ingredients. You'll be amazed at how quickly this comes together, offering a delightful treat that's perfect for any occasion. Get ready to enjoy a creamy, chocolatey indulgence with minimal effort. To begin, you'll need about 20 Oreo cookies, which we'll use for both the base and the mix-ins. Next, grab 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. This is our secret to a creamy texture without whipped cream. You'll also need 1/2 cup of powdered sugar for sweetness and 1/4 cup of milk to achieve the perfect consistency. These few items are all it takes. First, take about 15 of your Oreo cookies and crush them into fine crumbs. A food processor works best, or a Ziploc bag and a rolling pin. In a separate bowl, beat the softened cream cheese until it's wonderfully light and fluffy. Then, slowly incorporate the powdered sugar and milk, mixing until the base is smooth and creamy. This forms the luxurious foundation of your mousse. Now, gently fold the remaining crushed Oreo crumbs into your creamy cheese mixture. Be careful not to overmix. We want those delightful cookie pieces throughout. Spoon the finished mousse into individual serving dishes or a single large bowl, depending on your preference. Finally, refrigerate your delicious creation for at least 2 hours. This chilling time is crucial for the mousse to set perfectly, ensuring a firm and delightful texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.